Your vehicle is equipped with a lithium-ion high-voltage battery used to power the electric powertrain systems and the 12-volt vehicle electrical system. For convenience and optimum charging, we recommend you have a 240-volt AC Level 2 charging station installed in your home by a qualified electrician. To charge the high-voltage battery, shift into park and turn the vehicle off. Plug the charge connector into the vehicle's charging inlet. You'll hear a click when the charge connector engages. The vehicle should start charging automatically unless you've selected scheduled charging at another time, or the charge connector is not fully engaged. The Smart Charge button next to the charge port can be used to start and stop charging. If there is no scheduled charge set, pressing the button once will stop the charge, and pressing again will start it again. If there's a scheduled charge that is not yet started, pressing the button once will start the charge immediately. Pressing again will stop it until it's scheduled charge time. If the connector is plugged in and is already charging as part of a scheduled charge, pressing the button will stop it. Pressing the button again will start the charge back up immediately, but the scheduled charge is now overridden. Navigating to the AC charging level screen in the electric vehicle app on your touchscreen allows you to select the rate at which your vehicle charges. The lower the selected rate, the longer it will take for your vehicle to reach a full charge. This setting will be saved each time the vehicle is turned off, then back on again. Your vehicle shows the state of charge in the instrument cluster to indicate the progress of each charging cycle. In addition to the battery display in the instrument cluster, your vehicle is equipped with a visual state of charge indicator made up of 5 lights mounted to the right of the charge port. One blinking light means the charge is 0 to 20% complete. One solid and one blinking light means the charge is 21 to 40% complete, and so on. When the charge is complete, the blinking stops. Keep in mind that you can safely unplug your car at any time during the charging cycle. If using Level 1 or Level 2 charging, you can simply push the Smart Charge button to stop charging and then push down on the button on the charging cord set connector and pull out. If using Level 3 charging, such as at a public charging station, the connector will need to first be unlocked from the vehicle before it can be removed. Begin by pressing the unlock button on your key fob. Next, press the Smart Charge button to stop the charge. The lights next to the charging port will flash while the vehicle goes through the sequence to unlock the charger. When the lights stop flashing, the connector is unlocked, and it is safe to push the button on the cord set connector and remove it. Please note, there will be a delay before the cord set can be removed from the vehicle while it goes through the unlock process. This delay typically lasts up to 10 seconds, but can be as long as a minute. If after a minute the connector fails to unlock and you can't push down on the cord set's release button, try going through the unlock process again. If there are still issues getting the connector to unlock, you can manually unlock the charging port if necessary using an emergency release cable. The location of the cable varies depending on the vehicle. For example, if the charge inlet is located toward the rear of the vehicle, you may find the cable in the rear hatch, behind the quarter panel. Locate the cable and give it a small, gentle pull. Pulling the cable may not provide feedback. Be careful not to pull too hard or far, so as to not damage it. You can set a charging schedule so your vehicle automatically charges to full at your desired day and time each week. In the electric vehicle app on your touchscreen, select Schedules, Charge Schedule, select a schedule to edit, then set the days and time that works best for you. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.